Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. This is Wednesday, Wish Wednesday. That means that you have had your interest in this channel. You commented on the song you want to learn, and I read them, and this time I brought up a song for you, and it's the song from Scorey. It's called Love is a Drug, and it's you, Still Reserved. You took the chance, and here we are. This is the song for you. Hope you enjoyed it, and all you Scorey fans out there. Now let's go and check this one out. We have a capo set on 1st fret, absolute best snare for us. With that, 4 different chords. Let's learn them first, starting with A minor 7. Okay, A minor 7 goes open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. The next chord is F, and you can go with different styles of F here. I would go with this. I think it's a sus version of, I'm not really sure the technical exact name for this chord, but it goes 3rd D, then open G, 1st B, and 1st E. On that 1st B and E, I place a short little bar on that. If you think this is too hard to grip or so, you could also go with the F major 7. I believe that will work fine. Later on when we learn the strumming pattern, it will sound great and cool. So yeah, just a different smaller variation of this F we just learned. The F major 7 goes 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. That will work perfectly as well, so it's up to you. And next chord is the C. That will be 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And finally we have the G. That will be 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. Okay, that is the chords. We're gonna come back to them soon. First, let's learn the main thing here, which is the picking pattern. Okay, so this A minor, F, C, and G goes in that order through entire song, but we have, when it comes to the picking patterns, we have 2 rounds, so to speak, so they will alternate these 2 rounds. So A minor F always stays the same, and then we have the rounds that alternates is the ending, the C and G, 2 variations of it. All right, so let's start with the A minor part first. It goes like this. Okay, so when you pick now, you don't have to hold the full chords as they are. You're gonna start with just the 1st fret B string with the index finger. That is what I suggest. So you're gonna play open A, open G, then 1st B, then open G, then 3rd B, back to 1st B, open G, and open high E. Alright, that's the A minor 7 parts. Now into the F. It goes like this. So you play 3rd D, open G, 1st B, back to open G, and then 1st E on the higher string, then open E, 3rd B, and 1st B. So and these always stay the same. A minor 7 and F is played in the same way through the entire song. Now, we have the first round here, so the first version of C goes like this. So it's 3rd fret A string, then open G, 1st B, back to open G, 3rd B, open G, 1st B, and open B. Slowly. And then we have the G, and it goes. So that is to play 3rd fret E string in the bass, then open D, open B, back to open D, and then open B, 1st B, 3rd B, and back to 1st B. So slowly. That is the first round. Second round, like I said, you're gonna play A minor 7 and F in the same way. And then we have the second version, C and G left. Okay, so C is played. And So let's play 3rd fret A string, then open G, 1st B, back to open G, open high E, open G, 3rd B, and open B. So and finally we have the second version of G, and it's played that is to play 3rd fret E string in the bass, then open G, 1st B, back to open G, 3rd B, open G, open B, and 1st B. So slowly. Okay, so there we have the melody. I'm gonna take you through this slowly, one round. That means one round which is both chord progression rounds. So A minor 7 F C G, A minor 7 F C G. The both versions. That is what I would call one full round. It just goes and goes on in this song. So let's do it slowly first. It goes like this. Tempo. Yeah, something like that. That is a melody. If you want, you can take this to the next level with building a clap into it. And the clap will replace every 5th note in the specific chord. So if you look into the first one, so 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5th note is the 3rd fret B string. That is where the clap comes in to replace that note. So slowly. And then of course you need to continue with that 6, 7, and 8. There's 8 notes in every of these chords. So slowly goes like this. And then you apply the same principle for all these chords if you want to replace that clap and have that rhythm built in. So if you continue there. So in tempo. And then you do the same with the second round. That just goes on. Could be cool to have that once you are comfortable with the melody. Now, let's go into the strumming and just relax a little bit. Hold the full chords as they are. And one string around, if you go to the first chord, A minor 7, goes like this. Okay, so that replicates this melody perfectly well. It's about 8 actions. It goes down, up, down, up. The first 4 actions, down, up, and then comes clap, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So that clap would be the 5th action, and the same way as I had the clap in the melody, that fits perfectly well with the strumming pattern. So with one full round and one string round per chord, A minor, F, C, G, sounds like this. And that's it, my friends, and especially you, Steel Reserved. A song from Scorey you wished for was Love is a Drug. And here we are. Thank you for being on this channel. And if you want to have your song, wherever you are watching this, then leave a comment. I read everything. And I look into it on Wednesdays, and I pick one or two every Wednesday, and I push it out here on Gordon Guitar. Perhaps it's your song next time. Good luck, have fun, and play tune.